Welcome to the Feline Dance Challenge.
The first person is a tiger named Steve.
Look at the Bandari dance.
Wow, that was good.
Wow.
Next up is a leopard named Belfie.
Swing to the sunrise, hop to the beat, heart like a drum, wild and free, lift it, spin it, try that twist, catch that groove.
It moves well.
One more round, let the whole world see. This is how it is.
And our little cat named Tom.
He is dancing Indian.
Ha ha. He thought it was a lion.
Now the dance of the king of the jungle.
Oh my god, how energetic.
I hope you enjoyed this challenge.
Subscribe to us and don't forget to like and comment. Until the next challenge, goodbye.